Hey Gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best car ramps that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Camco Yellow Drive-On Tri-Leveler. Camco Yellow Drive-On Tri-Leveler supports recreational vehicle users looking for stable parking on uneven ground. This unit is made to lift one side of the vehicle gradually, reaching a maximum height of 3 7/8 inches. Its build allows it to work with any tire, helping campers adjust balance when parked on rough or sloped surfaces. This item weighs little and uses a strong resin frame that keeps it light but steady. Its outer layer is made to resist slips, giving better hold under pressure. The handle attached to the body helps with lifting or placing it without hassle. The structure is firm enough to support up to 3,500 pounds, making it suitable for trailers or motorhomes. When a recreational vehicle is not level, appliances may not run well and tanks may lose function. This drive-on tool corrects that issue by raising one end of the vehicle slowly across 3 points. Each step provides a new level, helping users stop at the right height without guesswork. It improves the way built-in systems inside the vehicle work by adjusting the tilt of the frame. The bright yellow color makes it easy to see and place under a wheel, even when light is low or during early morning setups. Many campers use this product to make sure their vehicle remains safe and even while parked in nature areas, campgrounds, or during roadside stops. Because it does not rely on motors or complex parts, this tool is easy to manage by hand. Whether someone travels full-time or takes short weekend trips, this leveling support helps maintain comfort inside the vehicle by correcting uneven terrain quickly and without needing special tools or extra help. In our list, the number 2 product name is BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set. BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set is made for those who want simple access under their vehicle during regular repairs. Each unit in this 2-piece kit helps lift the car or truck to a steady height of 6.3 inches from the ground. These ramps support a wide range of vehicles including vans, sports utility vehicles, and pickup models. The build is made from strong plastic, keeping the item lightweight while holding heavy loads. Each ramp supports up to 4,000 pounds, allowing users to complete tasks like changing engine oil or checking fluid levels without needing extra tools. The flat base and wide form make it easier to place and use safely on hard ground. The length and surface design give a gradual slope that makes driving onto the ramp steady and smooth. The top includes raised edges to hold the wheels in position. This keeps the vehicle balanced, especially when space is limited. The textured grip under the ramp prevents it from sliding, even on smooth garage floors. These ramps do not fold or come with moving parts, which reduces the chance of failure. Their durable shape includes a small tire stop at the end to help avoid overshooting. Any moisture buildup drains away through the grid-style surface, keeping the contact area dry and stable. When used with proper care and on a level surface, these tools help make regular car maintenance more convenient at home. From small repairs to simple checks, this ramp kit offers reliable lifting support without relying on hydraulic systems. The design favors easy storage and fast setup for users with different experience levels. In our list, the number 3 product name is Rockland 4-Ton Solid Steel Car Ramp. Rockland 4-Ton Solid Steel Car Ramp Set is made for easy garage tasks and basic repair jobs. Built from tough alloy steel, this ramp pair helps raise cars, vans, or pickup trucks without needing complex tools. Each piece in the pack can support up to 4,000 pounds together, making it reliable for many vehicle sizes. This ramp pair offers a lift height of 9 inches, giving better reach to the lower side of the car. The frame fits tires up to 12.5 inches wide, which matches most daily vehicles used by drivers. The surface keeps wheels steady while you work, reducing any shaking or shifting while parked. With a weight of 33 pounds for both ramps, this kit remains strong yet easy to carry around. Each part comes with side grooves to allow smooth handling during use or while placing them in storage. Whether set in a corner of your workshop or carried inside a trunk, this design fits limited space without adding clutter. The overall build and shape focus on home users who want basic lifting support for oil changes, belt checks, or brake inspections. It helps avoid depending on expensive hydraulic systems or unstable jacks. These ramps can be used on flat ground for safety and to keep the car balanced. This steel ramp set is suited for anyone looking to manage simple repairs by themselves. In our list, the number 4 product name is MaxxHaul Lift Car Ramp. MaxxHaul 5050 15 6-inch lift car ramp comes as a 2-pack built for simple vehicle tasks at home. With a combined holding strength of 6,500 pounds, this ramp set can help support most standard vehicles for basic service jobs. Each ramp holds 3,250 pounds and works well for home garages. Built from strong plastic, this ramp kit offers a lift height of 6 1/4 inches. That height gives enough room under the car for oil checks, belt work, or part changes. The surface of each ramp includes ridges to help tires grip better while moving onto the slope. This grip adds extra safety while lifting any car or small truck. At 35.5 inches long and 12 inches wide, this ramp can fit many tire types and sizes. The 8.25-inch height ensures better clearance when needed. It comes with rubber blocks at the base to help stop shifting while driving onto it. That reduces movement and adds support on hard floors. The ramp set works best when placed on even ground. It is not made for use on dirt, gravel, grass, or any other soft area. Use only on firm floors such as concrete or strong pavement for better control and balance. Each ramp weighs about 20 pounds, making the kit easy to move and carry around when needed. Whether used in a garage or home driveway, this pair of ramps can support regular service jobs safely without needing heavy equipment. It helps drivers reach the lower side of the car and perform tasks in a stable and simple way. In our list, the number 5 product name is FloTool RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Pair. FloTool 11909 ABMI RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Set helps with easy garage work at home. This ramp pair gives strong support when raising a vehicle for basic care like oil checks, belt inspections, or part changes. Each piece comes in black and is built from heavy plastic that supports up to 12,000 pounds of gross vehicle weight. The wide surface makes it fit tires up to 9 inches in width. Its shape and strength give steady balance while lifting one side of a car or pickup. The incline angle of 17 degrees makes this ramp usable for cars with low ground clearance, letting drivers reach the lower side without much effort. The full structure measures 36 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 8.5 inches high. This size supports enough space under the vehicle to help with common service tasks. The base comes with a special grip pattern that helps reduce unwanted shifts while driving onto it, keeping everything stable during the process. Each unit weighs around 8 pounds, making it easier to carry and store when not needed. The ramp pair can nest into each other, which helps save room inside garages or sheds. Users can move them easily from one place to another, keeping them ready for use during any quick home vehicle check. Designed for stable floors like garages or driveways, this ramp set offers a good solution for people who want to manage vehicle upkeep by themselves. It raises the car high enough for better access while keeping the tires secure on the surface. With its durable form and wide shape, it brings helpful support when doing light-duty service from the comfort of home. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check the link in the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.